Embracing simplicity, the essence of minimalism. Minimalism is more than just a design trend. It's a lifestyle choice that encourages us to focus on what truly matters. By stripping away the excess, we can find clarity and peace in our everyday lives. Minimalism is about living with less. It's about letting go of the things that don't add value to our lives and making room for the things that do. This can mean decluttering our homes, simplifying our schedules, and even rethinking our relationships. It's about prioritizing what truly matters. When we focus on the essentials, we can devote more time and energy to the people and activities that bring us joy and fulfillment. Minimalism helps us to be more present and mindful in our daily lives. By removing the unnecessary, we create space for joy and purpose. A minimalist lifestyle allows us to appreciate the beauty in simplicity and find contentment in what we already have. It encourages us to be intentional with our choices and to live more deliberately. Minimalism simplifies life, reduces stress, and brings clarity. When our surroundings are free of clutter, our minds can be too. This can lead to improved mental health, better focus, and a greater sense of calm and well-being. It's not about deprivation, but intentionality. Minimalism is not about living with nothing. It's about living with intention. It's about making conscious decisions about what we bring into our lives and ensuring that each item serves a purpose or brings us joy. We choose quality over quantity. Instead of accumulating a lot of things, we invest in fewer, higher quality items that we truly love and that will last. This not only reduces waste, but also helps us to appreciate and take better care of what we have. We value experiences over material possessions. Minimalism teaches us to prioritize experiences and relationships over the accumulation of things. By focusing on what truly matters, we can lead richer, more meaningful lives. Minimalism is a path to a more fulfilling life. It's about finding happiness and contentment in simplicity and living in a way that aligns with our values. By embracing minimalism, we can create a life that is not only simpler, but also more intentional and fulfilling. Decluttering your space, decluttering your mind. Imagine walking into a room where everything has its place, where the air feels lighter and your mind feels at ease. This is the power of decluttering. Decluttering is the first step to minimalism. It's about creating a space that reflects clarity and simplicity. When you start to declutter, you begin to see the beauty in less. You start to appreciate the value of each item you choose to keep. Start by removing items that no longer spark joy. This concept, popularized by Marie Kondo, encourages you to hold each item and ask yourself if it brings happiness. If it doesn't, it's time to let it go. This process can be incredibly liberating. Donate, sell, or discard what you don't use or need. By giving away items that no longer serve you, you're not only freeing up space, but also giving them a new life with someone who might need them more. It's a win-win situation. Organize belongings by category, not by location. This means gathering all similar items together and deciding what to keep. For example, collect all your books in one place and then decide which ones truly matter to you. This allows for a more mindful assessment of what you own. When you see everything in one category together, it's easier to make decisions about what to keep and what to let go. It's a practice in mindfulness and intentionality. Keep only what is essential and brings you joy. This doesn't mean you have to live with the bare minimum, but rather that each item in your space should have a purpose and bring you happiness. It's about quality over quantity. A clutter-free space promotes a clear and peaceful mind. When your environment is free of excess, your mind can focus better, stress levels decrease, and you can enjoy a sense of calm and tranquility. Decluttering is not just about physical space. It's about creating mental space as well. Curating your wardrobe. Less is more. In today's fast-paced world, having a clutter-free and organized wardrobe can make a significant difference in your daily life. A minimalist wardrobe consists of versatile, high-quality pieces. These pieces are not only stylish but also practical, allowing you to create multiple outfits with fewer items. Choose classic styles and neutral colors that can be easily mixed and matched. This approach ensures that your wardrobe remains timeless and adaptable to various occasions, whether casual or formal. Invest in durable fabrics that will last longer. Quality over quantity is the key here. Durable fabrics not only feel better on your skin, but also withstand the test of time, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Donate or sell clothes that no longer fit or spark joy. This not only declutters your space, but also gives your clothes a second life. benefiting others who may need them more. A curated wardrobe saves time and reduces decision fatigue. With fewer choices, you can quickly pick an outfit that you love, making your mornings smoother and more efficient. Embrace the philosophy of less is more, and experience the freedom and joy that comes with a simplified, intentional wardrobe. Minimalist kitchen essentials. Cooking with clarity. A minimalist kitchen is functional and efficient. Invest in quality cookware and tools that serve multiple purposes. Minimize single-use gadgets and opt for multifunctional appliances. Keep countertops clear and organize pantry items efficiently. A clutter-free kitchen makes cooking more enjoyable. Section 5. Digital minimalism. Simplifying the virtual world. Digital minimalism is as important as physical minimalism. Unsubscribe from unnecessary emails and notifications. Limit social media consumption and curate your online feeds. Organize digital files and create a system for managing information. Digital minimalism reduces distractions and promotes focus. Section 6. The joy of experiences over possessions. Minimalism encourages us to value experiences over material possessions. Spend money on travel, adventures, and creating memories. Invest in personal growth and learning new skills. Experiences bring lasting joy and enrichment to our lives. They create stories and connections that material possessions cannot replicate. Section 7. Minimalism and mental well-being. Finding peace in simplicity. Minimalism has a profound impact on mental well-being. A clutter-free environment reduces stress and anxiety. Fewer possessions mean less to clean, organize, and worry about. This frees up time and energy for self-care and pursuing passions. Minimalism promotes a sense of calm and contentment. Section 8. Boosting productivity through minimalism. Minimalism enhances productivity by minimizing distractions. A clutter-free workspace improves focus and concentration. A simplified digital life reduces interruptions and allows for deeper work. By prioritizing tasks and eliminating the non-essential, we become more efficient and productive. Section 9. Minimalism. A journey, not a destination. Minimalism is a journey, not a destination. It's about finding what brings you joy and eliminating the rest. It's a process of continuous refinement and letting go of what no longer serves you. Embrace the journey and enjoy the freedom that comes with living intentionally. Section 10. Embrace the freedom of less. Minimalism is about freedom. Freedom from clutter, distractions, and the pressure to accumulate. It's about living a more intentional and fulfilling life. Embrace the power of less and discover the joy of simplicity. Minimalism is not about deprivation, but about living with purpose and intention.